Hey, what's up guys? I'm John from Currie Enterprises with Cody Currie, and we are here with his new project. It's a 1959 El Camino. 1959, kind of a historic date for you guys, right?
It's the year we started. My grandpa started the company in '59, so what better way than build a car that's from 1959?
Yeah, now this is kind of your first hot rod.
Yeah, this is my first full build, and we're switching it up for our family. Rather than the standard hot rod, we're going full lowrider.
Full lowrider. So we've actually brought the car down to MK Garage. You probably watched our Currie Garage with them before. Mikey and Kay are the authority when it comes to lowriding. So we're learning. You're learning. I know a little bit, and you probably know a little bit less, but we're coming in a little bit green, but we really wanted to actually dump into the scene, jump into it, and learn as much as we possibly could. We want to show that we're supporting lowriders.
Yeah, I mean, we're trying to do this the right way. So we got Mike and Kay on board with us. A whole bunch of chrome stuff going on this thing, so it's going to be a fun build. Is that how you transport it?
What are you doing right now? Where's this thing going?
It's going to MK Garage. Get some hydros put on this sucker. And 13.7 spokes.
What's special about this rear end that we just made?
Full chrome. No track bar because we're doing a Y-bone, the MK Garage Y-bone setup. Polished wood brakes. Polished strange case. All the fixings. We are here at MK Garage, getting ready to tear it down. Put in the full hydros here, 13.7 true spoke wheels, completely chromed Currie 9-inch with a polished gear case. We're also got to chrome the yoke. I don't even know what else. There's so much chrome. In racing world, there's no chrome. So now I got chrome backing plates I got to put on there. Now I realize I don't have a chrome yoke.
See?
That's actually on the ground then?
That's what we call on the ground with these cars. Because it's sitting, that's as low as it'll go.
Okay,
This has the same frame as your El Camino.
Right.
You get what I'm saying?
Yep.
I wouldn't set you guys up like that. Ride height while you're driving a Reno, I would recommend you drive like that, which looks like a stock car.
Yeah, that looks like a stock car.
It doesn't look like it has hydraulics.
Yeah.
You only want to tap when you're barely learning. Because if you sit there and hold it up, you see how fast it goes up?
Yeah.
You just want to play with it. So your car's going to be stronger than that.
Yeah.
And then you never want to start off going up. You always want to make sure the car's going down.
Oh, it's your doors got this. So you go down, then up.
Down and then up. So just tap it up so you can get a quick feel.
Woo! So you go down always first?
Go ahead, you can go down because it was already down.
It reminds me faster than that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. It reminds me
Oh, that was the
more
back. I'm
faster
sorry.
than that?
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna have a broken tooth.
It's going to be 2 times stronger. And you're going to feel it inside your bones when it jerks.
I felt that already.
You're going to feel it. This is Wiz Khalifa's car too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Are you building it for him?
Yeah.
Good. I'm ready to go. Got my switches learned. Up, down, up. Sold.
So they already got the rear end out of it. All the rear suspension's already out of it. They're gonna work throughout the day. They're gonna get the front out of it, get all the front suspension out. We're gonna make our way back to Corona, California while these guys are gonna do some work. Stay tuned, we'll be back.